In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable wallet app on iPhone on iOS 18. So literally, if you're not using the wallet app, like your country does not support it, or you could not have a payment method to your wallet app, you can easily hide it on your iPhone. So if you're done on this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To turn off or turn on the wallet app on your iPhone, all you need to do is open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, click on screen time, then click on content and privacy restrictions. Once you selected that, make sure content and privacy restrictions is enabled. And once it is enabled, here, come down and click on allow apps and features. There you go, scroll down and then locate the wallet app, then toggle off that. There you go. You can now go back to your iPhone home screen just like this and search for the wallet app. So this might take a couple of seconds though. Then discover that the wallet app is no longer available on the home screen. So this is how you can easily turn on and turn off the wallet app on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.